my morning meditation, I like to let in some fresh air. I also really like and enjoy watching out of my window in the morning and see what's going on. Look at the birds and the sky and the sun that's rising. I always like the mornings. It's so peaceful. These days I really like to prepare myself a nice hot cacao, ceremony cacao in the morning. I have some really tasty cacao here. It's called Shuncho and it's from Peru, and it just fills my heart with love in the morning. I so appreciate it. I cut it in small pieces and I aim it between 15 to 20 gram. This is perfect for my body. It gives me the right kind of stimulation and energy without overwhelming me, because my nervous system is quite sensitive to caffeine and caffeine, so I need to be a little bit careful with that. Also, what I start adding to my cacao is Amanita muscaria. I don't know if you know, it's also as fly agaric. Please don't take my words here as medical advice or something, you know. Since years I feel this pull towards this mushroom being. And I collected and foraged myself this year and dried them, put them into powder, and now I microdose with them. I take 0.4 grams in the morning, and so far it really does me good. It stabilized my mood and it helped me get rid of antidepressants so far. So it's an experiment. I'm a fan of citizen science. I know it's risky. I don't tell anyone what to do. It's just my way of doing things. So yeah, if something calls you, go for it, I would say, but do your research. So I mix the cacao with the amanita and I heat the plant-based milk. I like to use oat or almond or a mixture, dissolve it, and then drink it when it's still warm. I like to start my mornings slow with my cacao, little ritual. Then I will write my morning pages, connect with the dreams I had, connect with myself, really listening to what's going on inside of me, what's on my mind, also what's up for the day. Is there anything I need to remember or something troubling me? If there's something troubling me and I can't calm myself, I'm gonna do an EFT tapping. Today everything was fine, I was really chill, so I just wrote what was on my head. I feel it gives me some space, and yeah, with meditation, that's one of the habits that I do to clear my mind and get ideas or whatever is there out of my mind, so I can have like a kind of blank canvas. It's never blank, but you know what I mean. Then when I'm finished journaling, I sometimes read or dance. Today I read Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself from Dr. Joe Dispenza, and highly recommend his teachings. They're really eye-opening for me and just inspiring, honestly, to reflect and see my own ability to change myself, see what's possible, and yeah, it's always good to read something inspiring in the morning, I guess. So I got myself some grapes and ate them before I took my shower because I can't go hungry. After I took the shower, I took care of my skin, and I'm using here only non-toxic, all natural skincare. That's one of my non-negotiables, to use products that are environmentally friendly and also friendly for me as a human. Because sadly, in a lot of cosmetics there's a lot of toxic stuff in there, harmful stuff like chemicals that mess with your hormones, and lots of microplastic also. So I don't want that on my skin, I don't want that in our waters of this planet, and I also don't want this in the air, so I won't buy that, I won't use that. I stick with like eco, all natural products. For my lips I use shea butter. For my hair I use avocado oil or whatever oil I have there. Like for the care I use solid shampoo and solid soap. And then I have some special creams that are all silicone free and natural, so that's a big one for me. And also my deo is self-made. I make some of my cosmetics myself since years. So it's just something I'm really passionate about. I'm really passionate about living ecological, and so I'm a fan of harm reduction, you know, and toxicity, lessening the toxicity of our homes and whatever we use. It's such a non-negotiable for me. After the shower and feeling fresh again, I made myself some buckwheat porridge. For that I soaked the buckwheat overnight, cooked it, and mixed it with some vegan, plant-based protein powder. It's based on pea protein and soy protein, and I really like it because it's only sweetened with dates and some vanilla aroma. so it's quite simple from the ingredients and really tasty. I cooked it and mixed it with some vegan, plant-based protein powder. It's based on pea protein and soy protein, and I really like it because it's only sweetened with dates and some vanilla aroma, so it's quite simple from the ingredients and really tasty. For me, it's the best I have tried from plant-based proteins so far. And in that I mixed a mixture of millet, brown millet, and flaxseed. I mixed them myself, created like a powder, and then I put some soy yogurt in it and some walnuts and blueberries on top with some really ripe banana, and it was really good. I'm a big fan of sweet porridge in the morning, so I always try to vary between oats, millet, buckwheat. Those are my 3 staples, all gluten-free, and then I try to also change up the foods that I use. For lunch I had some leftovers from yesterday, some rice noodles with cauliflower, tofu, sesame seeds, wakame algae, and I think some carrots. And then as a little side dish I had some tomatoes from my garden. There's still some ripening, you can see them on the table. The season is over, but they are ripening quite good in my apartment. And they're still quite tasty. I'm amazed. In the evening, and it was quite a late evening, I prepared myself some hummus with baked potatoes and some tomato onion salad with fresh basil from the balcony. I'm a fan of hummus, I'm a fan of potatoes from the oven. It's fast, it's simple, it's nurturing, it's really good. And instead of tahini, I just use some sesame seeds because I ran out of tahini, and that's always a good option then.